Hi, I have found a few things that will be perfect for going into summer, and I wanted to quickly jump on, show you the things. Some of them I have been wearing a little bit, and others I have just tried on, and I see that I really will like them. They fit well, they look great, and they're from a brand that I love, so I know they'll work. So let's get started and jump on these things before they're all gone. Basically, that's the problem when I have a favorites video, is that when I do a favorites video, those are definitely my favorites. They're ones that I have purchased, tried, worn, washed, worn again, washed again, have made the rotations, I've worn them in different ways, and I know they work perfectly for me. Those are the ones that pretty much make my favorites. However, the problem with that is that so many times those favorites I then go to show you and they are gone. So quickly, I thought I would just show you the things that I have now and the things that I have tried on. I purchased, tried them on. They look like they'll fit. I tried them on with different shoes and things, thinking, okay, I can definitely wear this. This will be great. I like how it fits and so forth. And so I thought I'd show you really quickly because some of these are already getting very limited. Okay, guys, we're moving into summer. It's getting warmer. It's been even in the 90s here so far. Today it's pouring down rain, so it's not nearly as hot as it has been, but it has been getting quite hot. So I've definitely been bringing out the sleeveless, the dresses, the skirts, the skirts, the shorts, all that kind of thing. And so, yeah, this is a little bit more of that. So I found these dresses. I got this one first in this fabric. I thought this was so cute and so different. So this is the fabric. It is linen. Now these are sleeveless and they're just kind of a throw on type of a dress. They do have pockets. I absolutely love how they fit. They very much don't look just like a big old bag thrown on you. They definitely have a fit to them if you don't go up in your size at all. You do not need to. Basically anything I show, assume that it's true to size unless I say otherwise, okay? And basically these are true to size. And let's see, what did I do? Oh, I went with the small. Some of the things there I go in the medium. I went with the small on this one because I didn't want it to just be completely shapeless, completely. I mean, it doesn't form fit at all, just the style doesn't, but so cute. Anyway, I got mine in a small, so you might want to size down. I'm between a medium and a small, generally speaking. Like this top is a small and it fits me perfectly fine, that kind of thing. So depends. A lot of times I'm a medium. Anyway, loved this dress, tried it on the minute I got home and said, yeah, this is definitely one that I like. And so then I went to get another one in another color and I ended up with this one. This is not a color I normally wear. It's a little bit on the more orangey red side, which is, I usually go for darker, deeper burgundy tone reds, but I thought this would be fun. I haven't worn a color like this in a long time. It's so cute, even with like little white, gym shoes or sandals or anything. I think it would be so cute. And again, it's not something I have 15 of already. So I thought, let's go out of our color zone a little bit and let's get something bright. So I got that one in that lovely red color. So cute. And I do have a coupon code if you've not shopped. It's from Quince. If you've not shopped there before, down below when I have all these things listed, you can, if you're a first-time shopper, you can get some money off if you use that code. So keep that in mind too if you've never shopped there before. Also from the same place is this swimsuit. Now I've just never had so many swimsuits before in my life because now I have a pool and never had that before or the weather to ever, be in a swimsuit that often. But now that I have, I've gotten kind of crazy with swimsuits. This one, I loved the color and I love the look of a one shoulder. And I thought this was so cute. So it's a one shoulder. I loved the color. It's not too bright, but it's not too olive and it's not too forest. I don't know. It's just a really nice color. It's just your average bandeau. Comes up the back. I like how the back does have this double strap here. It looks cute on. I think it looks cuter on than it does even, when you see it on the model. I know that sounds really weird, but I feel like it fits even better somehow. It covers everything. It's comfortable. You're not feeling like you have to pull and tug anywhere. Loving it. So highly recommend that one too. These two items I found at the J. Crew factory store, and they are so cute. So I got these. It's a 5-inch short. It's like a chino-y type of a, this type of short. I got mine in size 8. They fit me perfectly. I love them. That's pretty much my normal size. So true to size on these with the pockets. I figured this would go with so many things. A little dressier with this type of a chambray type of a fabric. Very cute. They also have these And is this linen? I can't tell. Look, these cute with the pockets and the stripes. So, so cute. Let me see if this says these are linen or not. They are 55% linen. Machine wash cold, tumble dry. Same with the dresses that are linen. So all linen doesn't mean that you have to dry clean it or anything. Keep that in mind. So you can tumble dry and wash them in the washing machine. So cute. I thought this would be adorable with either a navy top or a white top, whatever. Adorable. Love the pockets. These two tops, they have a different shape than your average t-shirt, and the fabric is a little bit, nicer than your average cotton t-shirt, which I really like. And so it's kind of a wedge-ish kind of a sleeve. Really, really like it. So cute. I got it in this navy, and I also got it in this green color. They'll go with so much. This would be cute together. Yeah. I'm going to very much be wearing those all the time. Really, really like them. I've worn the blue one quite a bit already. Again with the linen, okay? Bear with me. It's summer. I searched and I searched and I searched and I searched. And I think I ordered approximately maybe 5 different pairs of linen, white linen, long drawstring type, pants basically. And these were the ones that did it for me. These are the ones that fit me well, the ones that were a good length for me, the ones that just seemed perfect. And these are the ones that won the whole deal. It's got the drawstring, it's got the elasticized waist, it has the pockets on the back, it's got the pockets in the front. They're lined. Don't have to worry about anything showing through. Nothing is showing. They're perfect. I'm 5'5". I adore them. I got mine in petite. So I ended up getting the medium petite in these. So just love them so much. Haven't worn them yet. I'm kind of waiting for a trip that I have planned for next month. I'll probably be wearing these quite often on the trip. They can be thrown over a swimsuit. They can be thrown together with a blouse and cute sandals. Go out to dinner in them, whatever. Love the whole idea. Perfect for, a nice summer trip. So couldn't wait to share those with you because honestly, I tried, I think 5 or 6 different ones. And these were the winners, hands down winners. So yes, jump on those too. I go through gym shoes pretty quickly around here. I'm constantly walking, working out, walking all over the parks, whatever it is. I really need something that's lightweight, breathable, and has arch support. And so I've been looking and looking and looking for just the right thing. And for an athletic shoe that looks athletic, basically, I thought I'd give these Hokas a try. And I've tried them on, and straight out of the box, heaven. They feel so, so good. So I'm very excited to start these, get them going and see what I think. But in general, I love this color because it's not bright white. It's, it goes with navy, it goes with black, it goes with, pretty much any color whatsoever, kind of just blends with whatever. So this kind of is a color I usually go to whenever I have an athletic shoe. And I thought these would be super. So yeah, gonna give these a try. And so far, like I said, straight out of the box, they're amazing. And I did size up a half a size, and I think that's perfect because people were saying they were a little bit short in the toe if you got your regular size. So I did that knowing that I'd probably want to wear a sock with them, and I wanted that extra toe space just for comfort. So yeah, I definitely did the 8.5 on this, and I'm normally an 8. So if you're interested in these, you might want to do that too by going up a size. A couple makeup items, and then we're going to talk about a couple household items. So first of all, this. I hesitated to even show this. I know I've shown this before. It's ridiculous, but I love it. It's fun for me. It's a mascara. That's a very, very high-end mascara. And no, mascara does not need to be high-end. You can find some great mascaras at all over the place, in Amazon even. I get that. I do. I totally understand it, and I have those also. This mascara, it's one of those items that I use for special occasions, not only because I love how it makes my lashes look. I really, really do. I mean, everything is just so separated, and it doesn't look like mascara. It doesn't look like fake lashes. It just looks like beautiful, natural, well done lashes, I guess. I don't know how else to describe it. It's my kind of thing. Just love it. It's the Christian Louboutin. And this will be my second of this bottle, but it's an experience. So if you just want something, or you're looking for some sort of an item to spoil someone with, this is the one. This is metal. And this black, it's just kind of this Art Deco look. It's just gorgeous. Should that matter? Absolutely not. But it's just so, it's kind of hefty and it feels so good. And this just sits on your table or whatever where you're getting ready. And when I'm getting ready for an event or to go out to eat to a nice place or go into someone's wedding or whatever, I always like to kind of make it feel special. I feel like one of those ladies at the vanity table back in the day that have all the little perfumes and things. You know what I mean? I just like that taking the time to doing my makeup well and spritzing my perfume and putting on my jewelry. Why not? It's just a fun experience. I usually have some light jazz playing, some music playing. I got to get you got to set the mood. Anyway, it's for that type of experience. So if you're looking for that kind of experience, this is the one. Or if you're looking for any kind of a gift for someone who is a beauty lover, this is the one. So since I did get myself a new thing of this and it lasts forever, because I don't use it every day, you certainly can, but I don't use it every day, and it lasts a year more. I mean, I know they say you're not supposed to do that, but I've never, ever, ever, ever had an issue. I don't know anybody who has actually, but yeah, so there's that. So that's what I do. I'm just saying what I do. You do what you want to do, but I wanted to share that with you because it's just so good. And this is a lip product that I just tried for the first time. It's a Victoria Beckham. It is the Posh lipstick, and I got it in the color Girl. And I've been wearing it quite a bit lately. It does have the VB written right there, like embossed inside, on the tip there. And it looks very brown in the container. It's not quite as brown in, person. It really looks like my lip color, but adds a sheen and nice. I really, really enjoy it. It's just the one that goes in your handbag, goes with everything. It feels so good and moisturizing. It doesn't move around. It stays put. It doesn't have a weird smell. It's just small and fits in any kind of a bag, but it's not too small. I really, really like it. And I love the color. Girl is the one that I got. So yeah, I wanted to share that with you too. In case you're looking for something simple that will pretty much go with anything that you can throw in your bag. It'll work at all times for all sorts of things. So yeah, Victoria Beckham. She does good things. This is my bath tray. I finally found one that works on my bathtub, and it works on several bathtubs in my household. So because of the way it fits and the way the length, obviously check your length, your width or whatever for your bathtub. But I loved this one so much. I love the shape of it, and it is just fabulous. I have this sitting on my bath. It's a freestanding tub, and it's oval. My tub is oval also. It just looks so cute. I have a plant sitting on there, and I can set my phone there. I can set, whatever it is. If I have a book I'm reading, if I'm in the tub, whatever. I just thought this was so cute, and it kind of goes with everything, and I love it. And just wanted to share that with you because it's just part of one of those routines in your life that you can do to just sort of get away, and having things, being able to set things right there when you don't have any other areas around your tub to set things because it's a freestanding. It's ideal. So I really, really like this one. This may be on back order right now because it's sold out pretty fast, or it might be just coming back really soon. So just keep that in mind. It will come back. And then last thing, these lamps. They come in different colors, but they're fantastic. And I have these outside on our patio table. We've been having a lot of people over. We had my sister-in-law and brother-in-law here for a week. Every time we have people over, we eat outside. We ate Thanksgiving outside. We're able to do that here, which is so novel and strange for me, but it's really great. So any chance we can, we like to eat outside there. So when the sun starts going down at dinner time, it's so great to pop these lamps on. Now here's the simple part. They charge with the little cords in this bag. They just have a USB-C to USB charge things, one for each. The lamps come in different colors, by the way, too. And you can just easily charge them. Just pop the little charger thing in here, and it charges them right up. And we've used them for so many times for many hours between charges. Don't have to worry about that. And on top, they have this little touch thing, and there are 3 different lighting colors. So you just touch, and you've got that light, which is more of a yellowy light, more of a white icy light, and then a little bit more of a dim light. So you have those 3 choices, and they both sit there so nicely, and they just light up the dinner table. You could put them next to a chair outside if you have like a covered patio. a little anything on a porch where you have a table next to you and you want to read a little bit. They're perfect for all sorts of things, and I just love the ambiance they give. So I wanted to share this idea with you too, because we just think they are the best, and I've had so many people be all excited about them when they saw them, and they've been getting theirs too. So I wanted to share also. And that's it. Those are my things right now that I've been getting and trying, and getting excited about trying the ones I haven't tried yet. I just know that they're probably going to go quickly. So if you're interested, take a look. If not, that's fine too. Thank you for joining me. As always, I really, really appreciate it. Love you guys to pieces. I will talk to you again soon. Bye.